All right, here with Alex Mooney, and I really just want to break down real quick something we're seeing in the market and what we are doing to create a solution for that, right? In terms of small and huddle spaces, Alex, in the market, and I'll just kind of break it down for you and kind of set the stage, if you will.
Yeah.
Organizations get really excited to adopt Microsoft Teams rooms, right? They're excited about the integration for Copilot. They love the native differentiators. But what ends up happening is once they start to game plan, they start running into a lot of issues around, think about it as a lot of complexity that comes, right? They start talking about knocking down walls. There's on-site surveys, right? There's permits. They're talking about running wires. And suddenly there's a lot of hesitation, right?
Yeah.
The excitement goes out the room. The hesitation turns into, let's push this to next quarter. Next quarter turns into next year.
Yeah.
And suddenly the momentum dies in real time, right?
You're so right.
And so what we're doing with Express Install is the idea that can we package this? Can we deploy quickly? Can we scale? Can we make it something that's standardized? And can we button it up into a Logitech induced kit that we can ensure we are enabling our partners and ultimately helping our customers solve that problem, and doing so in a way that brings adoption quickly around Copilot, allows Copilot to spread its wings. So now we have speaker identification, we have multi-stream, right? All in that conference room being supported on Windows. So that's ultimately what we're doing in the space for huddle rooms. But a big part of that, not to interrupt you, is of course the partnership with Heckler and Salamander, right? And Steelcase, when we're talking about on the table or carts, being able to leverage the Rally Bar Huddle, the Rally Bar Mini, still using the tap user interface, but also partnering with Samsung on the display side.
Well, I love the partnership story here because, we're trying to solve for complexity. One of those things is that these same users that are deploying these and want to know that the solution is all going to come together from different vendors and it's all going to work. It's going to be validated and tested. Everything there is going to be best in class. So this is really cool. So, okay, we've got a touch controller, we've got a bar, we've got obviously a display and a cart. You're saying all of this comes together as a single kit?
All of it comes together as a single kit, and currently we have 7 certified kits that customers can choose from.
That is incredible, and I love bringing in an incredible display partner here, because one of the biggest problems that I've come across as I talk to users is they want to make sure the displays they're choosing are going to work seamlessly with the codec or the device that's plugged into that HDMI.
Right.
And of course, Samsung here is obviously one of the very best. They're a legendary company. They have some of the very best displays on the market. So we're really excited to be able to partner with that kind of expertise to bring these solutions and ensure that it's going to be the very best of the best of the best for our users.
The touch-through capabilities and capacities, we validate that, right?
Yeah.
Might not be a certification yet to come, but it's a validated process. Okay.
The partnership here is incredible. But actually, this isn't the only place we've been partnering with Samsung. Let's maybe look at
the desktop.
Yeah.
Okay.
We obviously have some best-in-class devices. So this is arguably the best mouse in the world. This is the MX Master 4 mouse.
Yeah.
Integrated with haptics across the Windows ecosystem. You can turn that on in the Windows Insider program today if you want to.
Love that.
An incredible mouse with extensibility. You can add smart actions and so forth in Options Plus software.
Right.
A best-in-class headset. So this is a Teams certified native Bluetooth headset with multiple noise suppression modes. So noise canceling, noise removal on the microphone, and it cleans up the far end audio, so you don't have to listen to that.
What makes it native Bluetooth instead of just Bluetooth?
You can ditch the dongle. I always lose the dongle anyway.
Right.
So it's really exciting. So Logitech partnered with companies like Microsoft, of course, and then again with Intel and others to ensure that the protocols used here could sufficiently handle all of the rich capabilities of a Teams certified headset.
So when I lose my dongle, I don't have to pull a ticket through IT and say, what do I do now?
Exactly. You can ditch the dongle, send it packing, and use that Bluetooth capability there.
Okay.
But it's also webcam, so best-in-class optics. I'm excited, though, because we take it one step further, right? So this device over here, you've heard about Copilot Plus PCs.
Yeah.
Well, this is a Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro, which is a Copilot Plus PC. We've paired that up with the Ultimate Desktop, and of course, with one of the most incredible Samsung desktop monitors for these business solutions. here we're even showing you the Samsung monitor serving as a docking station too. So single cable, USB-C with 90-watt charging and multiple USB ports. It's a one cable solution.
The single cable is huge. I have this same monitor at home. I absolutely love it. It's part of my control center, if you will. But yeah, it looks clean, as you can tell. And at the same time, when we're talking about how do we maximize productivity at the desktop, this is how you do it.
Yes. And you know this more than most, being in partnerships. I think that the power of bringing two incredible brands, or three in this case with Microsoft, Logitech and Samsung coming together to create these solutions like Express Install and Ultimate Desktop really gives a lot of credibility to the solution itself, but also gives a lot of confidence to the user that these have been tested, they've been validated, and they're going to work. Like, you can depend on it. When you turn it on, it's going to be there for you when you need it.